Welcome back. Yes, exciting news is coming, but first I need to explain that we have a problem, a little bit of a problem, and to give you some context for that, I'm just going to show you around the shop a little bit. So first off, I want to start with our giant wall of PLA. When most people are getting started with 3D printing, this is where we will direct them. So you can pick from standard PLA, some high heat stuff, some tough stuff. We do a lot of the master spool refills, so you're not left over with that black plastic spool at the end when everything is used up. But from here, we actually have a whole bunch of different resins as well for resin 3D printing. And this is from a US manufacturer, so we're pretty happy to carry the resin for the 3D printing. Behind that is our Modix kind of showroom printer. This is the Big 40. It's actually the smallest Modix printer that is available. And fun fact, this is the only Modix printer that will fit through a standard doorway. And so that's why it is out here on the show floor. And then the kind of the second most popular material behind PLA is PETG, or PETG, as people often call it, along with some flexible materials and then some bulk spools of different stuff. You may remember this from the original video showing off moving into this shop, where we talked about this pneumatique material. Still selling that, love that stuff, made from recycled car tires. Super, super cool. And then we're also an E3D reseller, so we've got this wall of E3D parts all kind of crammed in here as well. So this is really the retail shop that we have, and as you can see, we're using up pretty much every square inch of space. Problems continue as we come back here. So you may remember this room from that video where I showed off moving into this space. Well, not much of a ECOstruder video set anymore, is it? Come on back here, I'll show you a little bit more. And if you remember back to our original tour, there was a lot more room here. So here we've got our backstock inventory of products on the warehouse shelves, of which we really only have one in the early days. We've got our TerraCycle 3D printing recycling boxes right in front of the new Modix Big 120X that didn't exist last time we were here. We've got the workbenches that are for the desktop printers, the now relatively famous Big 60 version 2 that really kind of got a lot of the subscribers to click the button. By the way, if you haven't subscribed yet, please click the button, we'd love that. But here's the Big 60 V2, still running strong. Bunch of storage space back here. This is where Jesse works, this is where Alan works, some of the employees that we've added since I originally moved into this shop. And yeah, that's pretty much the back production area. So this is what we're working with at the moment. We are going to be making some changes, and this is the exciting part. So you can see that we've pretty much used up all the space we've got now. We are going to be, do I say it? Getting a new shop, yes! We're gonna be getting a new shop. It will be massively bigger. And if you'd like to check that out, if you'd like to see what it looks like, if you'd like to see how much of an upgrade it is over this one, then you know what you gotta do. Hit the subscribe button, make sure that you pay attention when the next video is posted, and yeah, I'll see you in that one.